Hi, welcome to day number 5 of our 28-day challenge. This is the seated version of lifting the sky. So with lifting the sky, we can start with our hands on our lap, but we're going to put our hands together, pressing down and pressing away. The joints aren't locked. Softly, loosely, fingertips rotated in. The exact structure doesn't matter as much. And then the hands rotate up. And as the hands rotate up, you look up, follow your hands, and you're looking straight up, and you press straight up. Then the fingertips to the sky, and the hands float down. Then you can reset your hands. Again. And you can make these adjustments however it feels. You could come back to your lap. It also depends on your chair, whether or not you have arms. The breathing for lifting the sky is inhale up, pause your breathing, exhale down. Pause as you readjust. Inhale, press, exhale, pause. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. You start to flow. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. What I would like for you to do now is to close your eyes if you feel safe. You know the routine. And all we're doing is inhaling up, exhaling down. So just do that. Don't worry about the form. Just enjoy linking your breath to the motion for this mindful movement. Inhale, close your eyes. Exhale. On your own, linking the motion to your breath. Let your breath be the guide. As you inhale, your arms go up. As you exhale, arms go down. This is a pattern. This is a fluid motion. Inhale. Exhale. On your own, do a few more. Keep going. Relax. Move. Flow. Breathe. Let your hands float down. Rest on your knees or on your lap.